The SPAC 8C is here and it comes in two models. One has 2 gig while the other has 3 gig RAM. Now this device is packed with a 13 megapixel dual camera, 6.6 inch HD screen, 90 Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, 64 gig memory and a 3 gig RAM that goes up to 6 gig with memory fusion. Want to know more about this? Why not keep watching? The SPAC 8C retains its familiar SPAC 8 series design, which is sleek and futuristic. It comes in 4 colors, which is magnet black, iris purple, turquoise cyan, and diamond gray. The unit I have is called magnet black, and it has a little matte finishing. It also features one stereo speaker, which can be found at the bottom, a micro USB port, a SIM, and a memory card slot. Now back to memory fusion. I'm sure you're wondering what this is. It's a new technology that allows you to borrow RAM from your memory capacity. Now, when this technology came out, it was only seen in high-end phones. So kudos to Tecno for putting this on a budget device. So here's how you get memory fusion on your SPAC 8C. First, you need to install 2 software updates. The first software update is about 238 MB, while the second update is around 98 MB. To update your OS, go to Settings, click System. Next, select System Updates, then Online Updates. You wait for the update to download, then you install. Now, you have to install the second update. To do this, you have to repeat what you did earlier. Go to Settings, click System, then select System Updates, next Online Updates. Download the second update and install. When you're done installing, you restart your device and you're good to go. Now, you can select the amount of RAM you want to see by going to Settings, select Storage, click Memory Fusion, and you can select between 1, 2, or 3 gigs of RAM. Gaming on this device was quite interesting and seamless, thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate and the extended 6 gig RAM. I played Asphalt on this device for some minutes and it came out fine. As for the cameras, the SPAC C features the exact same rear-facing camera setup as the SPAC 8 series, which is 13 megapixel dual camera and the 8 megapixel front-facing camera. So that's all, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment and tell me what you think about the SPAC 8C and memory fusion.